In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Pinterest feed in WordPress. Unfortunately, since WordPress doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you've clicked on the link, this is the page they're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will find this widget button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath social right here, I want you to look for Pinterest feed. In my case, it's about halfway down right here, so I'm going to click on that, and then it will take you to the Pinterest feed widgets page. From here, I want you to scroll down and then click on this button right here. That will then take you to the Pinterest feed template section. As you can see here, there's a bunch of different Pinterest feed templates they can choose from. You have one for a profile, boards, wide widget, pins gallery, etc. Don't worry about the overall design or the look of these templates just yet, because we can actually customize them even further, and I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. For now, just go ahead and choose the one that you like the most. In my case, I quite like this one right here, the pins gallery, so I'm going to stick with that one. By the way, in the top right corner right here, you also have a mobile view, so if you click on this one, you also get a little mobile view of what this particular template looks like on a mobile device by default. But like I said, we can customize it even further, so yeah, don't worry about how it looks right now. Once you have selected the template they want to go with, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we can now start customizing your Pinterest feed template to your liking. Now, the first thing you want to do here though, before we make any customizations, is make sure that we have the right content that is being displayed on the widget. So as you can see here, you have content to display section. You have three different options. You can pull in a feed from your profile, from a board, or from pin. So as you can see here, you have pin or board URL. You can just paste it right here. If you want a board, obviously you can add your board right here. And if you want to have your profile feed here, obviously you need to link your profile right there. Then of course you can add boards additionally if you'd like to do that. In my case though, I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm going to stick to what's already here, which is for pins. At the bottom here, you can also change the language to any language that you want. As you can see, there's loads of different options that you can go with. Then the feed title, as you can see, it's this right here at the moment. I'll just leave it as it is. Now, once you've provided the widget with the correct feed, and you can see the feed right here on the right hand side, now it's time to start customizing the overall look of the widget if you want to. So in terms of layout right here, the width and the height are currently set to auto. What that basically means is that the widget is fully responsive to your WordPress website. So you don't need to set any changes here unless you want specific type of like size and dimensions, etc. Then you can also set some pins settings right here. So for example, if you want to hide the author, you can just uncheck this box right here, and as you can see, the author goes away. Alternatively, if you want to just have the images like this, you can keep them like this and just uncheck author and text, and it looks super nice and clean. In my case, I'm going to stick to that actually. Then style here, the theme color currently is red, which is for Pinterest, but of course you can change it to green or whatever color you want. As you can see, it changes right here on the top for this particular template. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm not going to go through every single customization that you can make here. I'll leave this up to you to explore, so you can customize your Pinterest feed to your liking. But once you're ready to move forward, go ahead and click on that website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here, and then your Pinterest feed widget will be saved up, and then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we now need to publish your Pinterest feed widget. In the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. In my case, it's grayed out right here, as you can see, because my widget is already published, but in your case it won't be. So click on publish, and then you'll automatically be taken to the plans page. This is what the plans page looks like, and what we need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget that we're creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just starting out, this might be the perfect plan for you. Alternatively, if you're looking for a little bit more functionality, if you want to add more than one widget on your WordPress website, or if you want to show your Pinterest feed to more than 200 people, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. As you can see, they have quite a few different options they can go with, and if you choose to subscribe annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money, which is pretty nice. But yeah, once you've selected the plan that works best for you, you will then automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your Pinterest feed widget. It will look just like this. From here, click on copy code, and let's head over to WordPress so we can start integrating it. Now, I'm already in the WordPress editor here and on my homepage, which is where I want my Pinterest feed to be. So from here in the top left corner of the screen, you will see this plus icon. Click on that, and then here, search for HTML, just like that, and then click on custom HTML here. This will add a custom HTML block to your WordPress page. From here, simply paste the code we just copied previously from L side, give it a couple of seconds and then click on preview. And in a couple of seconds, your Pinterest feed will be displayed on your WordPress website. As you can see, here is mine. It's fully interactive. I can share each of these images right here and interact with them as I normally would be able to on Pinterest. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a Pinterest feed in WordPress. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.